Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to get money from Trust Wallet to your bank account. This process typically involves several steps, moving your cryptocurrency from your wallet to an exchange and then to your bank. We will cover the essential actions you need to take, ensuring a smooth and secure transfer of your funds, step by step. The first crucial step is to transfer your cryptocurrency from Trust Wallet to a trusted exchange. Choose an exchange that supports the specific crypto you hold and allows withdrawals to your bank. Carefully copy the deposit address from the exchange and paste it into your Trust Wallet to initiate the transfer. Double-check all details before confirming. Now for the magic. Begin by heating about 2 tablespoons of olive oil and butter in your pan over medium heat. Add your sliced onions and a generous pinch of salt, stirring them frequently for the first 5 minutes until they begin to soften. Then, reduce the heat to low and continue cooking for 45 to 60 minutes, stirring every few minutes. If the onions start to stick, add a tablespoon or 2 of water to deglaze the pan, scraping up all those flavorful brown bits. Always ensure your exchange account is fully verified with KYC documents to avoid delays. Transaction fees can vary significantly between exchanges and withdrawal methods, so compare options. Also, remember that selling cryptocurrency for fiat currency may have tax implications in your region. Always prioritize security and double-check all transfer details.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.